Le Grand Pavillon Chantilly is a nice property north of Paris. Surrounded by natural beauty, this made for a relaxing first stop when we visited France, so I wanted to show you the room and property. We rented a car from Hertz at Charles de Gaulle Airport. This was my first time driving in Europe, so I was nervous, but this turned out to be an easy 30-minute drive. Charles de Gaulle is on the north side of Paris, and to get to Le Grand Pavillon Chantilly, instead of going south towards the city, you go north. The drive is half interstate and half two-lane country road. You'll pass through the small town of Senlis. It's got a medieval town center and was relatively quiet when we were there on a Sunday. You don't drive by this on the way to the hotel, but the hotel is near Château du Chantilly, the main tourist attraction in the area. Alright, we are staying at Le Grand Pavillon Chantilly in a little north of Paris. This is room 306. I'm not even going to try to say the building name because I've been traveling for 2 days straight and my French will be horrible. But here's room 306. Excuse all of our stuff here, but you come in and kind of nice picture there. Little mirror here. Got a nice couch. I really like this. This room's kind of like a little minimalist, kind of all earthy decor, which I'm definitely into. It's night, but I'm gonna do a separate video that's the property tour because it's kind of a cool little property here. Nice bed here. These lights kind of swivel here, and then there's nice like reading lights by the bed. A pretty big TV, kind of little stand there. Then yeah, here's the setup here. Lots of open cupboards, nice drawers here, a little espresso machine. Got an ironing board here. I know it's a little dark, kind of hard to see. 2 robes. This is interesting. There is a flashlight here. Haven't seen that in hotel rooms before. Yeah, some nice, let's see, USB chargers by the wall. And then here's the bathroom over here. Kind of a big open space. Toilet, and yeah, so it looks like they have their own branded Le Grand Pavillon amenities here. Towel rack, little sink, nice makeup mirror, and it's kind of an open overhead shower over here. So this is the space. Yeah, comfortable. Yeah, nice minimal decor here, and definitely a cool property. Okay guys, very important addendum to the tour. We just checked out these bathrobes, and look what we've got. We've got some Le Grand Pavillon Chantilly slippers. Pretty cool. Here's how it's looking during the day. We've got this nice woods off the window in the main room. And I love this part. Outside the bathroom window, you've got this beautiful stream. Very tranquil. Bonjour, we are at the Grand Pavillon Chantilly. Stream as we go in. Come in, this building on the right has reception. These are some rooms over here. This is where our room is. stream. Back ahead, that brick building is the spa. This is the reception as well. Next to reception is a bar. This building here has the 2 restaurants for the property. I definitely recommend getting breakfast at the hotel. The Sunday breakfast was one of the best breakfasts I've ever had at a hotel. Nice stream going through. And back at the property there are a few more. There's a few more buildings that have a few more of the rooms. Now I'm just walking out to the parking, so that's the outside of the property. There's also some paths that kind of go out into the forest nearby. I'll leave some information in the description, including a link to the hotel and links about renting a car and driving in Europe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.